Before beginning assembly of your office chair, make sure you have all your parts and hardware. Firmly press in each caster until you hear a click. Next, firmly insert the gas lift into the base. Next, we will attach the armrest. Your arms are labeled right and left.
Attach the arms with the included Allen key. Repeat the process to attach the second arm.
Line up your mechanism with the screw holes on the bottom of the seat cushion. With a Phillips screwdriver, firmly tighten each screw in an alternating cross fashion. Next, with the included Allen key, connect your backrest to the bottom of the seat cushion. Firmly place your seat onto the gas lift. Your final step of assembly is to sit on your new chair to firmly engage the mechanism onto the gas lift.